I was in a big exhibition yesterday, minor attractions in the Mandrake Hotel, which is in Fitzrovia. It was absolutely heaving. When there was like a queue outside of thousands and thousands and thousands of people. It was like I did all my artworks on newspaper, and it got into the art newspaper. It says here, one of the art world's most entertaining and likable provocateurs, artist taxi driver, is showing racy work. It's the taxi man is none other than Martin McGann, minicab driver, whose performance art pieces are part of art world legends. I did enjoy it. I did enjoy it, even though it says here, because they boxed me in there, the massive again. Know what was going on? What's happening, Chunky? Well, in Gaza, 170,000 people need long-term rehabilitation. 38 hospitals destroyed or forced to close. 1 in 4 children suffer from acute malnutrition. 96% of households without enough water to meet basic needs. 300,000 housing units reduced to rubble. 835 schools, colleges have been destroyed. It's absolutely horrific. I mean, I'm there in the middle of London in this kind of like art gala thing. It feels obscene. Do you know that? It feels really, really obscene. I don't even know how to explain it. I don't even know what I'm doing there. And I just feel I did like it, but we got like, I mean, I don't even know what art is. This is horrific. Look at this. It's just like yanking his arm, going, a lot of cash, a lot of cash, a lot of cash. I mean, I was selling like my newspaper things for £10 yesterday. I don't think it was the type of place where there was, well, earlier on, there was like some art collectors there. Where it's hard to imagine the suffering in Gaza and then standing in this art fair.